tiny footsteps, cheerful laughter, and hearts full of wonder, our kindergarten stars embraced the joy of outdoor learning. Every run, every game, and every shared smile painted a beautiful picture of curiosity, confidence, and happiness. Beyond the joy of play, these outdoor experiences nurture healthy bodies, curious minds, and compassionate hearts. They strengthen motor skills, encourage teamwork, build confidence, and inspire children to connect with nature while learning through exploration.